Okay, mile marker 18. We're talking another bridge. There's no fishing on this bridge, it looks like. Yeah, no fishing on this bridge. It is called North Harris Channel Bridge. North Harris Channel Bridge. You do not fish on this bridge. Kind of a nice day today. The water's clear as could be. A what? Just gravel. We got another bridge channel. Another bridge channel. What do we got? Harris Gap Channel. Wow, boat just went through it. Yes, he did. Looks like a pretty tall bridge. I'd have to try that sometime. Lower Sugarloaf. There's an airport here, and there's a nice bike trail here. Park at the Sugarloaf Lodge.